Okay, hi. I thought I would make you a short video to demonstrate word order using a very simple sentence in which we have a subject, an object, and a verb. And I thought I would show you some possibilities, how we can play with the words, how we can put these words in the different order, and to explain their different meanings, if there are any differences. Okay, let's start with these words. So Peti, this is a person. Peter, Petya. Könyvet, this is a book and accusative. Könyv is a nominal. Könyvet is an accusative. A book, and olvas, it's reading. He or she is reading. Читает, basically. Ну вот. Some people think that in such a situation, the word order, the basic form of word orders, is subject first, and an object and a verb. And some other people say that it is also possible to put the subject first, and then the verb and the object. Let's play with these words. So let's see the first solution. I put Peti here, and könyvet here, and olvas here. If we read this sentence, Peti könyvet olvas, for me this is a very neutral and a very natural statement. So basically, if you have a question, mit csinál Peti? What is Peti doing? Mit csinál Peti? Peti könyvet olvas. Peti is reading a book. Okay, so this is, for me as a native speaker of Hungarian, this is the natural order of the words. Can there be another option? Could we use a different order if you want to express the same thing? It is possible if we start out with the verb and as a stable point, and you say that the object remains there. Könyvet olvas. So in this simple statement, this is the most important message of the sentence, that könyvet olvas. Basically the predicate and the object of the verb. So in this situation, you may also put Peti to the end of the sentence. So it is also clear, and it is also correct to put these words into this order, könyvet olvas Peti. However, there is a slight difference. While this is natural, Peti könyvet olvas, in the second case, könyvet olvas Peti, it means that there is an emphasis on könyvet olvas. It is in this order of the words, the words that come first in the sentence, they are more important. They have kind of a priority. So in this case, they are more emphasized, I could say. So in this situation, I would say that könyvet olvas Peti, if you say this, this could be understood as mit csinál Peti? Hát könyvet olvas. But a Hungarian person would say that, okay, he's reading a book. It is a book that he's reading, and not a newspaper, or not a whatever magazine, but he's reading a book. Okay, könyvet olvas Peti, és nem újságot. Könyvet olvas Peti, és nem magazint. Okay, so it is a book that Peter is reading. Okay, so if you change the word order, but still there's the object just before the verb, it is also possible, but it has a slightly different meaning in terms of emphasis. Okay, let's see the other version, subject verb object. in this situation, subject is Peti again. Then we have olvas, Peti olvas könyvet. Now, again, we start with the verb, and it is very important again to observe what is just before the verb. So in the previous case, we saw that before the verb we had könyvet, könyvet olvas. This is important. He is reading, it is a book that he is reading. This is important. In this situation, we have Peti olvas. So it is the person who is performing the activity. This is the important thing. Peti olvas könyvet, and the Hungarian person would think that it is not another person who is reading, but it is Peti who is reading. You see the logic, you see the point of this. So in both cases, you see in the first example, könyvet olvas and not. He's reading a book and not a different thing. And he's reading not a newspaper or a magazine. So this is important to emphasize that it's a book that he's reading. In this situation, it is Peti who is reading and not Johnny or Julie. Okay? Peti olvas könyvet, és nem Józsi olvas könyvet. So the question is, again, if we can modify the word order. We can, of course, modify the word order, but still, again, we have olvas here, we have Peti here, and we can put the könyvet here. Könyvet Peti olvas. And again, because Peti olvas remained together, the sentence almost means the same. It is Peti who is reading a book. In this situation, if you say this könyvet Peti olvas, you would understand that this is könyvet is in the initial position because some other people are reading some different things. So, könyvet Peti olvas, újságot Józsi olvas. In this case, Peti olvas könyvet, that's fine. Peti olvas könyvet, és nem Józsi. In the second case, you would say könyvet Peti olvas, újságot Józsi olvas. Okay. Well, I understand that this could be quite difficult, but once you understand how we put these words after each other, I think this could be quite interesting and maybe at first it could be very challenging, of course, but well, this is the beauty of language learning, I think. And of course we should start from the very beginning, and if you really want to understand, of course you do want to understand the word order, then these are the first steps to understand the word order. Okay, please let me know if you understand, if this is clear for you, or maybe you already knew these things that I have been talking about. But I hope you found it useful, and next time I can give you some more examples about more sentences. Okay, thank you for your attention.